Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 microphone and the sound not working. And this is very simple to do. Let's go up to the top, go to settings right here and select this and scroll on down to where it says sound and select this. Then under microphone, we want to make sure we have the correct device selected. So I'm using my USB headset. We can select it here. But we do have the option to use our controller as a microphone because it does have a microphone inside of it. Then we can back out. And we can go down to adjust microphone level. Now, if you are too loud or too soft, you can adjust it with this setting. So let's go ahead and use this. Switch it on over to my controller microphone. And then I can start speaking and it should be detected under here. And it's in the good section. So if you have too much buzzing or something in your microphone, we can turn this down until it's in the too low section or something like that. So we don't get a lot of background noise. So we can just turn it to the left and we should be good. If it's way too loud, it's going to be picking up everything in the background. So if I'm like tapping my floor or my keyboard or something like that, just bring it to the left. Then we can back out and we have these options right here. It will mute your microphone on login. So just make sure this is on and then we can go to audio output right here and then go to the right. And once again, make sure we have the correct audio selected. If you want to come through your headset, you have the option. Otherwise, I have HDMI device TV. I can get the game sound coming through my TV. And then we can scroll on down. Sometimes this is turned on and it's good to have on if you're going to be plugging in new devices. But if you don't want to switch it from the TV audio, switch output to device automatically. You can just simply turn this off and it'll always be coming through your TV. So we can go back to this and turn it on and scroll on down. Now, sometimes you're not going to be getting any audio coming through your headset except the party chat. When this happens, you want to go to this section right here, output to headphones, and make sure this is selected all audio. Otherwise, just the voice chat will be coming through your headset. Now, if you are having issues with your headset, you could try selecting this. It's mono audio for headset. This will be pretty much the same sound in both the left and the right headphones, but this could get your headset to work on the PlayStation 5. Then we can scroll on down, and here we have the audio format. You could try out different audio formats to see if one is better than the other with your PlayStation 5. I leave mine on linear PCM, and then we can go to the left and scroll on down under here. Now, under volume, make sure your headset volume is loud enough. If you have this all the way to the left, you're not going to be getting any audio coming through your PlayStation 5. So let's just make sure this is loud enough in our headphones so we can actually hear. Then we can back out under this, and then we can go to where it says users and accounts. Scroll on down, and we want to go to where it says privacy. View and customize your privacy settings. Select this, and scroll on down under here. And we want to go to where it says, right here is who can interact with you through parties, games, and messages. Right now I have anyone selected. But if we have this selected to no one, we're not going to be able to speak to anyone on our PlayStation 5. So make sure this is opened up enough so you can at least speak to your friends. Then we can back out here and we want to go to the game base. Select game base. Go down to party and just start up a private party. And there's going to be one option under here we want to go to more. Scroll on down to voice chat settings. And then once again, we have mute game voice chat. If you turn on the setting, your voice won't be heard and you won't hear the voices of other players. So if you're in the game and you can't hear anyone, you might have this setting turned on. It's going to automatically mute your microphone and their microphone as well. So you won't hear anyone and you won't be able to communicate with them. I've had this on a few times by accident, and then it took me a while to figure it out. Then right here is share your voice. Select allow to include your voice in other players' broadcasts and view clips when you're in a party. So you can go to allow or don't allow. So that's a nice one to have on. You can have your voice featured in their video recordings on their PlayStation 5. When they play back, they can hear what you're saying. So go ahead and look at all these different options on the PlayStation 5 to see if any of these helped you out with your sound and microphone issues. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.